Hey everybody, it's Randy and Kim at FamilyTentCamping.com. Randy's going to show you how to take down the Oxley 5 Lite by OzTent. And he's just going to take that down and roll it up. I'm going to show you how quick it is. He's going to step inside, grab the center hub in the roof there, and it just collapses as easy as that. Your legs, the knuckle joints collapse, and he's going to pull up the 4 stakes. All you do is grab the 4 legs and pull them up into the center. Everything is all connected. Makes it nice and easy. There's nothing to put together or take apart. The feet actually have the straps with loops on them, so he's going to grab the loops on the feet and just kind of overcross them onto the other knuckle joints to hold the legs together. Kind of gives him extra hands that way. There you go. Just going to grab the fabric and lay it down, and then just roll the frame right up into the fabric. Got a couple straps there. That strap will strap right around it and it'll go right into the bag. FamilyTentCamping.com. That's how quick and easy it is to take down and pack up and go home with your Oxley Lite 5. FamilyTentCamping.com.